Good morning, afternoon, or evening, depending where you are right now in the world. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. I got this American lock that I dug out of my brother-in-law's lockbox there. I can't find the key. I thought I had one, but it's a weird little American. There's no numbers on it. I don't think it's a knockoff. It's just kind of strangely built. Anyway, I'm going to give it a shot. See what we can do about opening this. Oh, that medical really was something. Alright. Let me get my stuff together here. I'm going to be using Chris Capone's tension wrench. And why not? Jason Carlson's chopper pick. Alright. A little big, but all the way in the back. I don't know how many pins this is. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I think it's 4, possibly 5. Alright. That was 5, a little click, I believe. That was 4, 3. Wait, those aren't even clicks. Sorry, guys. My pick is falling off the pins. Tough keyway. Alright, 2, 3, 4. Start from the beginning. 1, 2, click on. 3. I think that was 4. Nothing on 5. 1. Gotta go to a different pick. Another one of Jason Carlson's, a little bit deeper. Oh, much better. Okay. 2, 3, 4. At the beginning. And then 1. Yeah, I got it. Not very much in the keyway of opening there, just a... Anyway. American padlock. Though, USA, I don't think it's a knockoff. Very, very worn out. Very worn out. I don't know what model it is. Any of you guys do? Lay it on me. This will be going out to somebody on my next package. Alright, now that's all I got. Feel a little better after the Medico. Please, let's set a bad example for our sport. Don't put your picks in anyone else's locks unless you have explicit permission. Please, if you like what you have seen, please hit the like and subscribe button. I appreciate it, guys. Alright, I'm gone.